Today Tony coming back with the video that right here. I got the 2006 this car with the Lexus GS330. Okay, this one run by rear wheel drive, not a front wheel drive. At the rear wheel drive car. So this one I get the do a little bit quick video for show on the people how to remove the cluster speedometer. Okay, remove and install how the way it is. Okay, this car is the 2006, huh? The first of all, we need to move the steering for more room when we get this up. This one, remove the cluster how the way it is. Okay, and then we need to ride this up. Do the tool is not really much, just like this. You can remove all this out. Okay. We have two connectors right there. Okay, this connector from here it go all the way down. Okay, let's go all the way in. Now we start to remove this one. After this, we got one big connector from here. Okay. And we got the plate here. Move this up. Okay, that's we done for remove that. Okay, in the reverse side, and then I will show you how to put back in. Okay. Now we start to put it back in. On one, we just put the lock connector. go like this. Okay. Cái cây dài thì dễ gắn vô ha. It's the long screw. It's more easy to put it in. Okay. Now you put that lock connector. It's here, lock connector. Before we snap it in, we need to check it. Make sure everything good on the line work. Okay. Now we can pack everything. Alright, the video is at the end. Let's see you in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe me. Okay, thank you. Everything is go normal.